Welcome all. So now next topic is convolution integral. Before I go for the convolution integral, I want to cover some basic points. I will just cover some basic points. Okay, you know that your unit step signal, this is the sketch of unit step signal, constant 1, u of t. Now what I will do, I will change the variable from t to tau. So now what will be the difference? There will not be any difference. In place of t, write tau here. In place of t, write tau here. So this is the graph of u of tau. Up to infinity, amplitude is 1. Constant 1 up to infinity, and amplitude is 1. This is origin. This is origin. Okay. So this is the sketch of u of tau and u of t. Okay. Now, what will be sketch of u of 2 minus tau? U of 2 minus tau. So u of 2 minus tau can be written as u of minus tau plus 2. Okay. So here this plus 2 indicates shifting, time shifting, and this minus tau indicates folding. Okay, this minus tau indicates folding. So according to precedence rule, first we should do the shifting, then we should do the folding. Okay, so this is our standard u of tau signal. U of tau, x-axis is tau, origin. Plus 2 means signal will shift on left side by 2 units. So this is the sketch of u of t plus tau, first shifting. Okay, so u of t tau plus 2. So first I have done the shifting. Then folding. So folded will be plus 2 will come to minus 2 will come to plus 2, and as it is going from minus 2 to infinity, sorry, minus 2 to infinity, then it will go from 2 to minus infinity. Signal will go from 2 to minus infinity, like this. So this is the folding. So first shifting, then folding, and we got our answer u of minus tau plus 2. That means u of 2 plus tau. Sorry, 2 minus tau. So this is the sketch of u of 2 minus tau. Similarly, one more signal I would like to sketch. So that is nothing but, let us say, u of minus 2 minus tau. U of minus 2 minus tau. So this can be written as u of minus tau minus 2. Okay, so this is shifting. This thing is time shifting, and this minus tau means folding. This minus tau is nothing but folding. So this is my standard signal u of tau. Origin here, tau here, up to infinity. Okay. Then first shifting, minus 2 is there, right? So signal will shift on 2 units, the RHS. So up to infinity, x-axis is tau. So this is the first shifting. After shifting, we got this signal u of tau minus 2. Then second, we have to do the folding. The folding of this, plus 2 will come to minus 2, plus 2 will come to minus 2, plus 2 comes to minus 2, and this is the folding. And it is going from 2 to infinity. Now my signal will go from minus 2 to minus infinity. So this is my final answer, u of minus 2 minus tau. So I have sketched two signals. First is u of 2 minus tau. Second one is u of minus 2 minus tau. Now why it is going towards negative side? Because I sketch signal with respect to tau, and with tau I am doing the folding. Why it is going to the left hand side? Why it is going to the left hand side? Because of folding. Okay. So what is your observation? What is your observation between this u of 2 minus tau and u of minus 2 minus tau? Between these two signals, what is your observation? So if you can understand this observation, then easily you can understand the convolution integral. Okay. So for u of 2 minus tau, signal will start from plus 2 and it will go towards negative side because of folding. Minus tau means folding. So this is the sketch of u of 2 minus tau. And what is the sketch of u of minus 2 minus tau? It will start from minus 2 and it will go towards left side. it will go towards left side because of folding. So this is the graph of u of minus to minus tau. So this is the observation. So this thing is the observation. So observation is that when this number is positive, plus 2 is a positive number, right? So when this number is positive, signal will start from positive side and it will go towards left side. When this number is negative, minus 2 is a negative number, right? So when this number is negative, signal will start from negative side, signal will start from negative side and it will go towards left side. So this is the observation. Once again, I will repeat the observation. When this number is positive, for example, u of t minus tau. When the t is positive, the signal will start from positive side and it will go towards left side. If I am sketching signal with respect to tau. Okay, so here will be t. So when this t is positive, so it will start from some positive t and it will go towards left side. When this t is negative, for u of t minus tau, when this t is negative, so it will start from negative side. When my t is negative, it will start from negative side and it will go towards left hand side. Why it is going towards left hand side? That also you should know, because of folding. We are sketching signal with respect to tau and with tau we are doing the minus tau, means folding. Okay. If you have understood this, then you can really understand the convolution integral. Okay, what is convolution integral formula? That also you should remember. Y of t equal to x of t star h of t, x of t convolution h of t, and it is nothing but integration minus infinity to infinity x of tau h of t minus tau into d tau. X of tau h of t minus tau d tau. So this formula also you must know to solve the convolution. Now between x of tau and h of t minus tau we have multiplication, and after that integration with respect to d tau. Okay, so let's look at the question. The question is find convolution of u of t with u of t, or the question is find convolution of u of t with itself. So we have to determine the convolution of u of t with u of t. Okay, solution. Come towards the solution. So let x of t equal to u of t and h of t equal to u of t. Okay. In the formula we require x of t and h of t minus tau. What is the formula of convolution? Y of t equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x of tau h of t minus tau d tau. Okay. But available data is x of t and h of t. So convert it into x of tau. Convert it into h of t minus tau. So here just put t as tau. So this becomes x of tau equal to u of tau. Okay. And h of t given is u of t, h of t equal to u of t, but I want in the formula h of t minus tau. So in place of t put t minus tau. Therefore h of t minus tau equal to u of t minus tau. Okay. After that, up to this, I hope there is no difficulty. We have to determine the convolution of u of t with u of t. So I have taken x of t as u of t and h of t also as u of t. And in the convolution formula, I want h of tau and h of t minus tau. So correspondingly, I have replaced t with tau. Here t with t minus tau. Okay. Now, case number 1. Case 1. So case 1 is t less than 0. What will be case 2? T equal to 0. And what will be case 3? T greater than 0. That's it. So case number 1 is t less than 0. Okay. First sketch x of tau. X of tau is u of tau, standard signal. So unit step signal 1 up to infinity. X axis is tau. So this is the graph of x of tau. Now h of t minus tau. I want to sketch h of t minus tau. H of t minus tau. And h of t minus tau is u of t minus tau. After replacing t with t minus tau, I got u of t minus tau. Now what is my case? Before that I have covered some basics, right? What is my case? My case is t is less than 0. That means t is negative. Whenever t is negative, that means this is negative. This thing is negative. I am sketching signal with respect to tau. This thing is negative. So my signal will start from negative side and it will go towards left side. Why it is going towards left side? That also you should know. The reason is minus tau folding. Okay. Okay. So we got the sketch of u of t minus tau, that is h of t minus tau, as well as we got the sketch of x of tau. Both the sketches are available. Can you see any overlap? Our x of tau is starting from 0 to t, 0 to infinity, and this h of t minus tau is starting from t from t to minus infinity. So there is no overlap between these two signals. There is no overlap between these two signals, so their product will also be 0. For calculation of integration, there has to be some overlap between this signal and between this signal. As there is no overlap between these two signals, product will be 0 and there will not be any integration. Integration will result into 0. So y of t equal to 0. So for case number 1, our answer is y of t equal to 0. Because there is no overlap. Reason is because there is no overlap between x of tau and h of t minus tau. Okay, case number 2, t equal to 0. Case 2, case 2, t equal to 0. Okay, x of tau is fixed in all the three cases. Okay, x of tau is u of tau because we are varying t, and in x of tau there is no t. In x of tau there is no t, so its sketch will be always fixed in all three cases. X of tau is u of tau is a standard unit step signal. This is a standard unit step signal. X axis is tau. Now amplitude is 1. Okay. Now what is our h of t minus tau? H of t minus tau is u of t minus tau. But what is the h of t? 0. So it becomes u of minus tau. So we know that u of tau is this, folding will be u of minus tau. So it's graph of h of t minus tau. This is nothing but u of minus tau. So its graph is like this. Up to infinite. Folding. X axis is tau. This is the graph of h of t minus tau. Again, there is no overlap between these two signals. After product, as we have to calculate the integration, there is no overlap between these two signals. So again, our answer is y of t equal to 0 because there is no overlap between x of tau and h of t minus tau. You can say that both are present at 0, right? But to calculate the integration, we should have some overlap. We should have some overlap. And as there is no overlap between these two signals, so our y of t is 0. Always. Case 3. Case 3, t greater than, case number 3, t greater than 0. What is x of tau? X of tau is u of tau. Sketch remains as in the previous two cases. X of tau, right? X of tau, not t. X of tau. Don't get confused with t and tau. So this is x of tau. Okay, x of tau is u of tau. So sketch. This is the sketch of x of tau. Same. Standard unit step signal. Origin here. This is x of tau. Okay, amplitude is 1. Then h of t minus tau. Then comes h of t minus tau. H of t minus tau is nothing but u of t minus tau. Then the graph of h of t minus tau, and it is nothing but u of t minus tau. We have to sketch signal with respect to tau. Now see here, our case is that t greater than 0, and we are sketching signal u of t minus tau. So t is greater than 0. So my signal will start from positive side. And it will go towards left side because of folding. So my signal will start from positive t and it will go towards left side. Amplitude is 1. Okay. So as t is greater than 0, it will start from some positive t. And why it is going to the left hand side? Because of folding minus tau. We are sketching signal with respect to tau, right? So because of folding, it is going towards left hand side. Okay, this is h of tau. This is h of t minus tau. So now can you see any overlap? Yes, there is overlap. Here somewhere t is there. Now there is some overlap. Between 0 to t. What is the overlap duration? From 0 to t. Now our integration will give us some answer because as there is overlap between these two signals. Okay, the overlap is from 0 to t. Integration limits y of t equal to integration 0 to t x of tau into h of t minus tau. This is convolution formula. We are calculating convolution. We are calculating y of t. What is amplitude of x of tau? 1. What is amplitude of h of t minus tau? 1. So 1 into 1, 1. So integration 0 to t 1 into 1 d tau. What is integration d tau? Tau. Limits 0 to t. So this will be, answer is y of t equal to t. Now important point is you should write the final answer. So according to our cases, you should write the final answer. So case 1, case 2 and case 3. So y of t equal to 0 or t less than 0. This is our case 1. Then y of t equal to 0 or t equal to 0. And case 3 is y of t equal to t or t greater than 0. So this is the final answer. Okay, quickly I will just repeat. Okay, observation is that u of t and u of t minus tau and u of t minus tau. The observation is that when this t is positive, signal will start from some positive t and it will go towards minus infinity because of folding. When this t is negative, signal will start from negative t and it will go towards left hand side because of minus tau folding. We are sketching signal with respect to tau. Okay. Then we have to determine the convolution of unit step with unit step. So I have taken x of t, this is x of t, this is h of t. But in the formula I want x of tau, h of t minus tau. So from x of t, how you will get x of tau? Put t equal to tau. From h of t, how you can get h of t minus tau? So put t equal to t minus tau. Okay. Then we have to consider cases. First case, t less than 0. What is the sketch of x of tau? U of tau. This is the x of tau sketch. Now my t is less than 0, so signal will start from negative t and it will go towards negative side. This is the graph of h of t minus tau, u of t minus tau for t less than 0. There is no overlap between these two signals, so answer is 0, y of t equal to 0. Case 2, t equal to 0. Then x of tau is fixed. In all three cases, x of tau sketch will be fixed because we are taking the cases with respect to t. We are taking cases with respect to t, and in x of tau there is no t. So that's why x of tau sketch will be fixed in all three cases. Only variation will be in the h of t minus tau where t is there, right? Because we are varying the t in all three cases. So h of t minus tau t is 0. Case 2 is t equal to 0. So that is nothing but simply u of minus tau. U of minus tau sketch is this. Again, there is no overlap between these two signals. So again, our answer y of t will be 0. And case number 3, t is greater than 0. X of tau is u of tau, sketch is fixed. Then h of t minus tau is u of t minus tau. Now my t is positive. T is positive. Okay. So signal will start from some positive t and it will go towards left hand side because of folding minus tau. We are sketching signal with respect to tau. Now I can see some overlap from 0 to t. So calculate integration 0 to t. X of t has a value 1. H of t minus t tau has also value 1. You can see here amplitude of unit step is 1. And solve the integration, you will get y of t equal to t. Okay. Now one more example. Find convolution of, one more example. Find convolution of u of t with u of t plus 2. Okay. Solution. Let x of t equal to u of t and h of t minus tau h of t equal to u of t plus 2. Okay. Then write down the convolution formula. Y of t equal to integration minus infinity to infinity x of tau into h of t minus tau d tau. This is standard convolution integral formula. Okay. If you have to know this formula, then only you can solve the problem. Okay. In the formula, I require x of tau, but available is x of t. X of put t equal to tau. Therefore, x of tau equal to u of tau. Now available is h of t, but I want h of t minus tau, right? So put t as t minus tau. So h of t minus tau equal to, in place of t put t minus tau. So that becomes u of t minus tau plus 2. So this is nothing but u of t plus 2 minus tau. Okay. So now in h of t minus tau, listen carefully, in h of t minus tau, here we don't have t simply. Instead t we have t plus 2. Instead of t we have t plus 2. Okay, because in the question itself t plus 2 is written. So now cases will be case 1, t plus 2 equal is less than 0. That means this t plus 2 is negative. Okay, now sketch the signals. X of tau is u of tau. X of tau is u of tau. You have to sketch signal with respect to tau. So this is the graph of x of tau, constant one. Then h of t minus tau, which is nothing but u of t plus 2 minus tau. Now I have considered that t plus 2 is less than 0. I have considered that t plus 2 is less than 0. What is my case? T plus 2 is less than 0. Minus tau means folding. So signal will start from some negative side, t plus 2. This is origin. Signal will start from some t plus tau which is negative and it will go towards left hand side because of folding. Amplitude is 1. Now there is no overlap between these two signals. So y of t equal to 0. Y of t equal to 0. For case number 1, y of t equal to 0 because There is no overlap between x of tau and h of t minus tau. Case 2. What is case number 2? T plus 2 equal to 0. Case 2, t plus 2 equal to 0. Okay. Sorry. T plus 2 equal to 0. Then x of tau sketch is fixed. In all three cases, x of tau sketches will be fixed. X of tau is u of tau. Its graph is fixed. Constant 1 up to infinity. Then h of t minus tau. H of t minus tau, which is nothing but u of t plus 2 minus tau. But I have considered t plus 2 equal to 0. So this becomes simply u of minus tau. What is graph of u of minus tau? This is graph of u of minus tau. Amplitude is 1. Again, there is no overlap between these two signals. For integration, we should have some overlap. So no overlap, therefore y of t equal to 0. For case number 2 also y of t equal to 0. Now what will be case number 3? Case 3 is t plus 2 greater than 0. Case 3 is t plus 2 greater than 0. Okay, x of tau sketch fix. X of tau sketch fix. Because there is no t. X of tau is u of tau fix. Dear students, you should have a practice of drawing unit step signal. Then only you can also solve question quickly. If you don't know u of tau, if you are confused with the sketch of u of t, then you cannot do anything. Now case is that now I am sketching u of t, h of t minus tau, which is nothing but u of t plus 2 minus tau. And I have considered that this t plus 2 is greater than 0. I have considered that this t plus 2 is greater than 0. Minus tau means folding. So now my signal will start from some positive t plus 2 and it will go towards left hand side. It will go towards left hand side. So this is t plus 2. This is 0. This is 0. Okay. Again, there is overlap between these two signals. There is somewhere here t plus 2 will be there. There is overlap. There is overlap between these two signals. There is some overlap between these two signals, right? So integration will come. So now integration limits y of t equal to overlap is from 0 to t plus 2. So integration limit 0 to t plus 2. Integration limits 0 to t plus 2. X of tau, h of t minus tau, d tau. What is amplitude of x of tau? Unit step has amplitude 1. Unit step has amplitude 1. So substitute. Integration 0 to t plus 2. 1 dot 1 t tau. Integration d tau is tau with the limits 0 to t plus 2. So final answer is put upper limit minus lower limit. So t plus 2 minus 0. So final answer is t plus 2. So you should summarize the final answer. Y of t equal to 0 for t plus 2 less than 0. Equal to 0 for t plus 2 equal to 0. So this can be 4 mark theory question. Calculate convolution of unit step in unit step, and it is t plus 2 for t plus 2 greater than 0. So this can be some 4 mark theory question.